Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rear leveling leg on your stove. The reason why I might have to do this is because the stove leg is damaged or missing, or because the stove isn't staying level. For this repair, you'll just need 2 pairs of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. Our rear leveling leg is going to be on either side on the bottom here or on the other side. The one that we're going to be fixing is on this side right here today. So to start with, I'm going to take everything off the top of here because I want to tip it back just to show you so that you can have an easier time instead of me just setting it on a block of wood. So I want to take everything off here, starting with the grates, because when we tip it back we don't want all the stuff to fall all over the place and break. Alright, so to take our gas line off, I'm going to use 1 pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here, and I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line, and I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. And now we can tip it back. So as you can see here, we are missing one of our leveling legs. We've got these 3, but nothing there. So grab your new OEM replacement leveling leg. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And all we have to do is simply put it into the hole, and once we get started, it'll go in nice and easy. And we'll make sure we screw that in all the way, just like all the other ones. Perfect. And now we can stand the stove back up. And now I can put all the burners and the burner covers on top. Here. Now we've got the burner caps. And the grates. There we go. Now we just have to hook up the gas again. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. There we go. In case your adapter is spinning inside, you might want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.